Hey there guys, today I'm going to show you how to clean the track of your sliding glass door. You'll need a rag, some hydrogen peroxide, some baking soda, a rag, and some extra like paper towels. You can use paper towels for this, you don't have to use a rag. First thing you would do is sprinkle the baking soda all up and in here really well. Hang on, baking soda doesn't want to come out. There you go. Then you want to take your hydrogen peroxide and pour it. Hold on. Want to take your hydrogen peroxide and just pour it. Let it sit. Do its thing for a few minutes, and I'll be back with you when it's been sitting for a few. Been sitting for a few, and so far you can see a total big difference from what it was. I'm still waiting for this part to get finished sizzling and finish doing its activeness, and I should have a nice clean track.